In the turbulent 1980s, the Supreme Court of India stopped being a silent observer and became the voice of the voiceless. From Shah Bano's lonely fight for dignity to Vishaka's battle for safety and Indra Sawhney's war for equality, the bench didn't just interpret law, it rewrote justice itself. This was the moment when India's judiciary transformed into the nation's moral compass, defining what freedom, fairness, and equality would mean for generations to come.
Structured, armed with an empowered Article 21 and the powerful tool of public interest litigation, PIL, the Supreme Court in the 80s and 90s transformed into the nation's conscience in action. It began to intervene directly on behalf of the poor, the marginalized, and the forgotten. A defining moment was the 1985 Shah Bano Begum case. Shah Bano, a 62-year-old divorced Muslim woman, was denied maintenance by her ex-husband. The Supreme Court upheld her right to alimony under India's secular laws, igniting a fierce national debate on gender justice, secularism, and religious personal laws. The court's focus on gender equality intensified. In 1997, confronting the scourge of sexual harassment at work in Vishaka versus State of Rajasthan, the court saw a gaping hole in the law. It boldly stepped into this legal vacuum, crafting the landmark Vishaka Guidelines from scratch. These directives made employers responsible for ensuring a safe workplace for women, a powerful instance of the judiciary legislating to protect the fundamental right to live with dignity. The court also waded into the complex waters of affirmative action. In the 1992 Indra Sawhney case, it upheld reservations for other backward classes, OBCs, in government jobs. Simultaneously, it introduced the creamy layer concept, a mechanism to exclude the most privileged members of those classes, attempting to strike a delicate balance between social equity and individual merit.
So, what do you think? Did the Supreme Court become India's true conscience or cross the line of judicial overreach? Drop your views in the comments, hit subscribe to Qanun Plus, and share this story of law and courage with someone who still believes justice begins in the courtroom but lives in the people.